Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. I'm just here now to show you guys the trade I've been taking today, and as you can see now I'm in a live trade as well. So earlier on today, the way I analyze the market, I'm going to show you guys and break it down for you guys. Okay, so when you're analyzing the market, guys, make sure you start from daily for you to know exactly what the market is doing. Obviously this trade now I'm taking is not gold, is NSP 500, but I've been analyzing gold today. So the trades I was taking was gold, and I will show you guys exactly what the market was doing gold. Yeah. So you analyze daily. When you analyze daily, guys, all you have to do is make sure you look at the previous day, the candle shape. What candle is it? Is it bearish or bullish? If the bearish is showing you the previous day, you got to look for more bearish positions on the next day. So once you highlight the higher and the lower of the candle, previous day candle, what you need to look for is the 4 hour time frame. You need to hunt for fair value gap, a place where the market will go back into it before you get into your position. Okay, so in 4 hour time frame, you can see a big fair value gap or imbalance, wherever you know that the market will have to go back into the discount level before you take a position for sell. So now the Asian session started in here, so obviously all this stuff not happened. It only happened after when I will start taking position, but I will also break it down for you. So now let's say Asian session started from here and it's not fully touched on that discount level, but I was like, you know what, I need this to come back in here and the Asian to make their own high and low. Because remember guys, sell side liquidities and buy side liquidity is also very important. So once I found the big fair value gap on 4 hour time frame, I start going to a shorter time frame. So when I go into shorter time frame now, I've seen on what 4 o'clock in the morning on the Asian session is still being around that discount level. So I was like, you know what, fair enough. This trade is literally respecting the fair value gap, especially when it's respecting a higher time frame fair value gap. The market is more, you know, more good position to be taken on from, like whatever direction you're aiming. So now, once I found the 1 hour and the 4 hour fair value gap is obviously both showing me in the same position. In a 1 hour time frame, is showing me here as well. So I said to myself, okay, I found a fair value gap in 1 hour, I mean 4 hour and 1 hour. So now I need to hunt for my entry position. So my entry position, guys, is 15-minute or 5-minute. If I can't find a place where I can enter from, if I can't find a place where I can enter from a trade in 15-minute time frame, I'll go to 5-minute time frame. I don't go anything lower than 5-minute, guys. But I know some people go to 2-minute, 1 minute, but I don't really go lower than 5-minute. So I go to 5-minute time frame. And on a 5-minute time frame, guys, you see now I'm gonna break it down for you guys, the buy side liquidities and sell side liquidities. So now the Asian low was here. So then I highlighted the Asian low. So once I highlighted the Asian low, I said, okay, the Asian high was also there. So once I highlighted the Asian high, I also highlighted the Asian high. And what I've done was make sure the market comes and take one of them. So obviously what I was looking for on a previous day was bearish. So I'm not looking for any longer position where I'm taking, this is going to be a long position where it's going to take the Asian high. I have to look for bearish position. So I said, is there anywhere now once the Asian was coming down? Is there anywhere I can get in? So Asian now start coming down and I see now it start doing change of character here. Start doing change of character here. As you can see now, as you can see here now, I said to myself, okay, fair enough, it's done a change of character there. I need to look for now a fair value gap that the market need to get back in before I start taking the lower of the Asian session. So what I've done was then I went back to 5-minute time frame. So on a 5-minute time frame, guys, let me make it bigger. On a 5-minute time frame, guys, you can see here there's a massive fair value gap as well. So on that fair value gap here is where I need the market to come back in before I start taking short position. So I highlighted the low of the candle and the high of the candle. That area is where the spaces that the market need to come back in before I take short position. So once he come back in that position, I said, you know what? I'm going to take it in, make my stop loss the second candle above the second candle, and aim my sell side liquidity of the Asian low, which is somewhere here. That give it to me 1 to 8 or 1 to 9, nearly 1 to 9 target, and that was really good trade that I took today, and literally give me my target by 8:05 in the morning. So once I seen that trade, I took the Asian low. Now remember, guys, London session need to also make their own high and their own low. So now the London low is here. The London low is here, and the London high is gonna be here. So you see, guys, as soon London session came, it took the Asian low. So what is left? The Asian high. So now London session, when it broke the Asian low, it didn't take the Asian high. So what happened now was when the US session started, it took the London low, and now guess what's left? The London high and the Asian high. So I knew the trade, once it took this position, it would probably more likely would take that position to break these two highs as well. But because I've already made my profit, I didn't want to get greedy and then say, you know, I'm going to take other trades and stuff like that. I thought just leave it. But I already knew where more likely the market will go. But that's how you analyze the market, guys. And if you want to see more videos, do let me know. I'll put more videos in there for you guys. How to analyze the chart and how to find your entries and where you should place your stop loss and also where your take profit should be. Our best advice I will give you guys would be 1 to 2. Do not go more than 1 to 2, guys, if you do not know how to trade fully and you're not fully experienced yet. 1 to 2 will always be the best to get into it. But if the market is giving you more position to be taken, like the way I had today, 1 to 8, you can always aim liquidities. See you next time.